So my name's Gurprit, and we're at the rent-to-rent course today at the Thistle Hotel.
Amazing. How has it been?
I think it's been a very good experience. It's very informative. You know, you learn a lot about properties and the different strategies. Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And tell me about Samuel. Like, what's his energy like? How is he as a teacher?
He's a very good teacher, very energetic. You know, he's very experienced, and he's very passionate about helping people learn more about property. So yeah, so it's a very good experience. Yeah.
Incredible. And earlier on, he got people up on stage, people who had actually secured deals on the last few days.
Yeah.
How does it make you feel seeing that success happen in such a short space of time?
It's very motivating because if people from different walks of life can do it, then it motivates you that I can do it as well. So yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And would you recommend, if someone was looking to get into property, would you recommend coming here? Why?
Definitely, because you get taught different theories, different concepts of property, the different strategies. So and it's theory and practical. So I think overall it's a very good course. Yeah.